On March 9th, 2020, the Career Mobility Committee hosted three fantastic speakers for a day-long career development workshop attended by nearly 50 grad students and postdocs. We were honored to have Mara, Melissa, and Spencer, traveling from all around New England, join us to speak to grad students and postdocs about their experiences and advice surrounding the transition to non-academic careers for STEM PhDs. We were able to snag a few audience members during the lunch break to give their perspectives. This is what they had to say.
Yes, my name is Swati and I'm a postdoc in the College of Medicine in Pulmonary and Critical Care Division, and I'm currently looking for jobs or going to start looking for jobs very soon. And I think this career mobility workshop about networking and LinkedIn profile and soft skills, everything is really important and very helpful. And I think in UVM this is the beginning of changing some kind of programs, because there's a lack of this kind of training in PhD programs and master's programs, which help us find jobs. So I'm really enjoying it, and I hope to get the tips and find a job soon.
I'm Matt McCabe. I'm a graduate student in the neuroscience program. I think this event is really great. As far as I'm aware, they don't have this at many other universities, and so it's a really great opportunity that we have here at UVM to be able to talk with people who are professionals in the field of basically in industry, in scientific industry, and they can give us really great feedback on how to get hired. So this is a great opportunity for us.
Okay, so my name is Kevin Fisher. I'm a PhD student in the chemistry department, and I'm looking to go into industry after my PhD here. And this career mobility workshop has been a great resource for me, because not only has it kind of shown me and taught me how to approach this process of going to industry, it's kind of given me some ideas on how to do that, because I'm kind of realizing how vast and how varied the field is, and how there's so many different paths and directions you can go. There's no, one from point A to point B. There's no one way to get there. There's many ways to get there. So, it's really opened my eyes up to the various ways that you can kind of get to the coveted career success stage. So we're all very grateful for the career mobility people for putting on this workshop, and if you didn't go, you missed out.
Hey, I'm Megan. I really appreciate the career development workshop that CMC puts on every year. I think it's super beneficial, whether you're asking questions about how to interview properly, write a resume, or build your career network. I think they have really valuable information. So I super appreciate it and hope they keep doing it. Thanks.
Our speakers this year included Mara Rivera, the head of people and culture at Chroma and VP and Chief Human Resources Officer and founder for Mara Ray Consulting. She received her Master's of Science in Human Resources Management in New York at the Milano Graduate School of International Affairs. To say she is well versed in the area of recruitment and workplace culture is an understatement. Her presentation topic was focused on successful interviewing for scientists, and she was in high demand during both the lunch break and panel. Thank you, Mara, so much for generously contributing your time, insight, and clear passion. Melissa Landon, traveling all the way from Maine, received her PhD in geotechnical engineering from UMass before moving on to a postdoc and becoming professor at the University of Maine. She is now senior project engineer at Golder and related to us the mindset behind her career trajectory and how she navigated it on all levels. She is involved in multiple organizations, including but not limited to the ASCE and USUCGER. She's also chair for the Workforce and Community Development Committee for the Maine Ocean School and spent 4 years as president of the board of directors for Hardy Girls Healthy Women, a nonprofit organization dedicated to the health and well-being of girls and women. Although she spoke to many other topics during the lunch break and panel, her presentation topic was focused on building your professional network, for which she was very well qualified and communicated exceptionally. Thank you, Melissa. Spencer Fenn earned his PhD in biomedical engineering right here at the University of Vermont and did his postdoc at UVM and Tufts. He transitioned to biotech career development and is now a recruitment specialist in the Boston area as the senior scientific recruiter at Recruitomics Consulting. Spencer's talk focused on getting to the in-person interview. His presentation was interactive, and Spencer proved to be in high demand before he even managed to reach his lunch. Connect with him if you're in the market for a position in the biotech industry. Thank you, Spencer, and we hope to see you at future alumni events. Mara, Melissa, and Spencer, we are honored to have you for this event. You can be assured that your words were impactful and tremendously appreciated. Again, thank you. We'd like to thank the community for their generous support. Thank you One Day in July and McVeigh and Skiff. Special thanks to Chroma. Chroma played a huge role in making this event happen. Thank you, Paul, for support on all fronts. We're elated to have been able to qualify, too, for a grant from shareyourself.org in conjunction with Front Porch Forum. Shareyourself.org helps organize community groups and incentives and is worth checking out. Additional thanks go to LCOM and organizations within the UVM community, including the Grad College and the Bio Department. Both Monarch and the Great Northern contributed as well. Go try the cherry pie at Great Northern. They're open for takeout. As we make this, there's social distancing going on, but once Monarch opens up again, their cocktails and pastries are fantastic and worth the trip. Also, a shout out to all members of the Career Mobility Committee for all their efforts in getting this event moving. It is a lot of work, and we are honored to have garnered support throughout the community. Thanks, and I hope to see everyone next year.